Want to make a high-quality 3D avatar explainer video, but have no idea how to write a script? No worries. In just a minute, I'll be teaching you how to create one using AI script. First, open Rendora and click AI Create in the top right corner. On the left side, you'll see for creation paths. Click on Start with AI Script. In the text box, enter your specific request, what you want the video to talk about. Clicking AI Generate will generate a script and take you straight to the editing page. Your script will appear in the text box below. Want to polish it further? Click the Text Enhancement button on the left of the text box to improve, change the tone, expand, shorten, or even translate the script. If you've already set up your studio and avatar in the editing page, but now want to generate a script with AI, here's what to do. Click the Writing Assistant button above the script box to open the AI chat interface. In the input box, type in your request, what you want the script to cover. Click the Enter button, and a script will be generated in no time. Hit Save and Apply, and the script will automatically be saved and applied to all your scenes. Finally, just click 3D Generate and you're all set. Let's check out the result.
Hello everyone, my name is Alex Johnson. I am thrilled to have the opportunity to introduce myself to you today.
Pretty simple, right? Give it a try now.